Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Raghavi. As we know, students are struggling while studying due to the generalized content of the ChatGPT. In order to provide solution for that, we developed a AI powered interactive study assistant. What it does, it actually gathers the information from the user, like students, like in the format of PDF or text based content or even the Word document. It gets the content and review the content and provide a solution based on the user need. You want quizzes from the PPT from the content, or you want to check your knowledge, or you can ask questions. It will provide the answers based on your content and also provide you summary or the overview of the uh, provided PDF. Okay, let me present my PPT. Um, Let me straight go to the introduction part. Okay. As I said, students feel like not good when we are seeing when they are seeing a bunch of contents without the straight points. As we know, ChatGPT act as a interactive as a friend or like a conversation. It won't suitable for studying purpose. That's why we developed a personalized study assistant. Mm. The scope of the project. The target audience would be the learners, self-learners seeking efficient study support. What was the deliverable of this project was a fully functional AI-based interactive study assistant, web-based user interface for studying materials, upload and interaction. The input of the project. The AI can get the input as a PDF, docs type or text format or even Word document. It uses natural language processing model to process the text within the content. And then based on that text, it provides the summarization and also can provide quiz. Um, Methodology, how it's how the method goes and the flow of the project would be collect the data from the user and process the data using the NLP models and develop the summarization or quiz generation through inbuilt methods in Python. The flow of the project was at first, as I said, at first it documents upload and storage, and then it went straight into the data processing module. And the AI module generates the summarization and quiz generation and answering for the questions. The response will be delivered to the user interface, and we will get the final output. The use case diagram would be user will interact to the interface and can get as get the input as the material and output as the answers which they asked us the question from what they have asked. This is the class diagram and this is sequence diagram. Class diagram mentions each and every users and key classes and objects. The sequence diagram explains the sequential of the workflow. Algorithm we used a natural language processing which extracts the context from the PPT or documents and process it. And semantic search, when the user asks the questions and it gets a keyword from the question and generates the answer through semantic search. Software element we used Python as a programming language, NLP libraries for extracting the content, and um, database as MongoDB, front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here we use the operating system Windows. We we used Visual Studio for implementing the code. This is the important segment of the code. code segment. Mm, okay. Um, these are the final output. Let me get through you from to my code. This is my code, and here I have mentioned the version of each tools and modules required along with the version, which allows the user to easily install and update it. This is the HTML code like for a head, and here I have implemented my each methods. This is for like document manager method, which manages the document. Quiz generation for generating quizzes. Semantic search, which gets the answer from the question. Summarizer to summarize the text. And these are static documents such as style. I use a CSS for styling and JS document for interaction, which combines all the libraries to make it interactive. App.ys is the main file which runs the first, which executes everything. Here, as you can see, I already implemented the app.py using this command python app.py. It's running on the local host. This you can get it through. This is the uh, local host where it's running. We can use the upload document to upload documents. We can select or drag and drop it. I can use this. You could see which you uploaded just now. Just process it. It's processing right now. Then once it's completed, I can start studying. As you can see, it just gives the preview of the document we uploaded and can also show us the words and sentences within the documents. Okay, it also gives the answer based on our questions, just like ask or whatever we want. What is toggles? What is UX? It generates the answer based on our questions through semantic searches. Okay, there you can see. We can also get the summary of it. We have three version of summary. Like we can get a detailed version or a medium version, brief version. Just as of now, we do brief version and general summary. You could see it's a summary of the whole document. We can also have key points, quizzes, generate quizzes. What we have mentioned were MCQ. We want 5 MCQs and 3 short answers, and it provided as we asked 5 MCQs and 3 short answers. We can also check conversion. Checks the answer, and we can make note of it. Once I completed it, I can also delete the document that I just uploaded. Thank you. This is how our project works. Thank you.